Welcome. This is Candace again with Joel Bruce Wallach, the inventor of Powerforms. Our subject today is emotional stability, and we're going to be talking about the super cell plate and how to use it to remain emotionally stable or get in that space. Joel, can you show us how to use that?
Candace, emotional stability and the super cell. Now, the cell works in a subtle way. It reminds the cells of the body about their deeper blueprint. And that sounds a little esoteric, but when the energy within you flows through this, is filtered and flows back to you, it helps your cells remember their essential nature. Now, the reason that's important for stability is that an unstable person is not really connected to their body. They're definitely not connected to their cells. What they're doing is their body is turning into this nervous energy. It's expressing the nervous energy of the mind, and it's expressing the mind's momentary imbalance. So something that brings you back to your essential blueprint in your cells helps you to be more stable. Now, there are many ways to interact with it. One way is just to get your fingertips on the plate, like so. It's different from the neutral space plate because the neutral space is just a slower, more soothing energy. This returns you to your frequency. And it's sort of like a deeper tuning fork within you that knows who you are, where you are, what you're about. It takes place on a very subtle level, but it's a gentle signal that reminds every cell in your body, here I am, this is me, as opposed to the me that is saying, you could say, oh, well, that's me too. It's not as deep and essential a self.
Well,
Now we place this on the body, and if you sense something building up here, this will help this part of the body. And if you hold it on here with your fingers, it's also interacting with the meridians that run through the tips of the fingers. Yes.
yeah.
It opens things up so that more of your attention is based on who you really are, your true frequency, rather than the wound up all over the place self. You could place it here. You could place it here. Now, the crown is an interesting one because the crown ideally is connecting with your soul, your potential, with the deeper energies of the universe. And when you bring your crown, the upper part of the brain, back to your true frequency, it sounds audacious to claim that it increases your wisdom to do this, but you feel more stable and your better, wiser nature can be more prominent.
Or maybe more connection to source.
Very much.
The knowingness of source.
Yes. Now, because the supercell helps the cells of the body, it's a little bit different than the portal plate. Now, the portal plate is screening out blocks from the earth plane so you can connect with source. This is stabilizing your upper brain so your upper brain is calm enough and aligned with its true self to connect with source. So there are different flavors and ways of working with the different power forms.
Wow.
And some of them have some overlap in function. But if you're really interested in the idea of there's a true self, and there's even a true vibration, almost like a tuning fork in every cell of the body, this helps you to get there so that you can be your deeper self, be your true self, and thus not get out of control and remain more stable.
Joel, thank you so much for those instructions on this amazing disc, the Super Cell plate. Take care.
Do enjoy, Candace. Thank you.